Good afternoon. I'm SwaroOPA, working as an assistant professor in Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and the Management from the Data Science Department. Today, I'm going to speak about the subject of design and analysis of algorithms. Last class, I have said about the binary search. Now, we are going to see about the merge sort. Okay, this binary search, merge sort, quick sort, and stats and matrix multiplications, which comes under the applications of the divide and conquer strategy. Okay, what do you mean by the merge sort? Merge sort is nothing but actually the divide and conquer method. There will be a very large problem. This problem is divided into the simple sub problems. Again, this sub problems is divided into the small programs. According to this, we are going to calculate each and every sub problem is nothing but the divide and conquer method. In the divide and conquer method, there are basically some applications will be there. The first application is nothing but the binary search, and the next one is nothing but the merge sort, and the next one is nothing but a quick sort, and the last one is nothing but the stats matrix multiplication. In the binary search, we are going to find out the basically a key element we are going to find in the list of the elements. Basically, the elements are there in the array. In that array, we are going to find the key element. Okay, how we are going to find the key element is nothing but according to there will be a certain conditions. According to these conditions, we are going to find out the key element. Okay, in the binary search, there will be three conditions. What are the three conditions? Means if a key is greater than or equal to mid, then what we are going to take, start is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, if key is less than mid, then we are going to take is equals to end is equals to mid minus 1. If key is equal to mid, then we are going to stop the process. Until and unless if key is equal to mid, then we are going to find out the solution in the binary search. Okay, see, suppose if there are 10 elements, it is easy to find out which, suppose in the array if there are 10 elements are there, in the 10 elements we are going to find out the one particular element. Suppose if there are 100 elements, how we are going to find the particular element is we are going for the binary search. See, in the binary search, if there are 100 number of elements, by using the binary search, we can easily find out the key element in the binary search. Okay, and the next application I want to say about this merge sort. This is the algorithm for the merge sort. First, in the divide and conquer, we are taking one problem. According to that problem, we are divided into the sub problems. Okay, to that sub problems, if there are some sub problems, to that sub problems again we are divided into the simple problems. Okay, simple problems are individual elements. These individual elements we are arranging into the ascending order is nothing but the merge sort. By applying the divide and conquer strategy, we are arranging the elements in the ascending order in the merge sort. See, this is the one example for the merge sort. In the merge sort, these are the elements, that is 15, 34, 28, 11, 36, 20, 43 and 45. Okay, these are the elements that are arranged in the array. Okay, in this array elements, we are finding out of the elements in the ascending order. How we are going to find out these elements means, first actually the elements are there, the elements are kept in the array. We have to initialize with the index starting from the 0. Okay, 15 under the 0 index, 34 under 1, 28 2, 11 3, 36 4, 25, 43 6, and this 45 is 7. Okay, these are the list of elements that we are arranging in the merge sort. Now how we are going to calculate means, we have to calculate the mid element. What do you mean by the mid element means? We are just calculating this starting index plus ending index by 2. Okay, in the array elements, we are going to calculate start index plus end index by 2. Here, what is the start index here? That is 0 plus 7 by 2. Okay, 0 plus 7 by 2 is nothing but, some 3.5. Okay, 3.5, we can take it as a mid value is equals to 4. Okay, according to this mid value is a 4, we are arranging the elements in the array. Now, how we are going to arranging the elements in the array means, first we have to divide this into the two parts. Okay, basically the in the array there will be elements. The elements are divided into two parts according to the mid. According to the mid, we are dividing the elements in the two parts. How we are dividing means up to 4 we have to take in the one array, and remaining elements we have to take into another array. That is 15, 34, 28, 11. Okay, 11 and 36. These are the elements that we have taken. Okay, these are the elements we have taken. And here from 20, 43 and 45. Okay, up to this we have to take into the another array. Okay, first the array of the elements is there. The array of the elements is divided into the two parts. Okay, from these elements again you have to divide it into the through parts. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is how you are going to calculate here mid again up to 4. That is 4 by 2 is 2. Up to 2 we have to take into the one array. 15, 34, 28 we should take in one array, and the next one is 11, 36 we should take into the another array. Okay, here also again 0 plus 3 by 2, that is 1.5 something, that is nothing but 2. Here also again we have to divide into two parts, that is 20, 43 and the next one is 45. Okay, see we have to if there is a very large program, we have to divide into the simple small programs. Again these are divided into the individual elements, that is 15, 34, 28. Okay, and again these are divided into 11 and 36. Okay, from this again we have to take it under the ascending order, that is nothing but 15, 28, 34. Here again 11 and 36. See, after calculating the left subarray, again we have to take into the right subarray. Again these are again divided into the individual terms, that is 20 and the 43. Here also we have to take it as it is as a 45. Okay, again after that what we have to do, again we should combine all these elements, that is 20, 43 and same as this we will get 45. Okay, after this again you have to combine and arrange in the ascending order. First, what is the element that you are getting? 11, 15, 28, 34, 36. Okay, from left subarray these are the elements that we have got. Again here we will get 20, 43 and 45. Okay, these are the elements that we are getting from the right subarray. After that we have to combine the total elements, that is 11, 15, 20, 28. Okay, next 34, 36 and the next 43 and 45. Okay, these are the final elements, final array elements that was arranged in the ascending order. Okay, first of all in the merge sort there will be elements, the elements that are kept in the array. In this array we have to mention according to the index. Okay, from starting from the 0 we have to arrange this. After this we have to calculate the mid value. What is the formula of the mid? Is nothing but starting plus end by 2. Again we are getting the mid value. The mid value is nothing but the 4. Up to the 4 we have to arrange in the left subarray. After the 4 we have to arrange in the right subarray. Okay, after arranging these two elements, again we have to divide into two parts, that is 15, 34, 28 and again this array we have to divide into 11 and 36. From after dividing again we have to split into the individual elements. Okay, after splitting into the individual elements again we have to combine here. Okay, combining, after that we have to arrange the elements in the ascending order. Is nothing but the merge sort. Basically the large problem is divided into the subproblems, and again this subproblem is divided into the simple problems. After that we are combining those problems and we are arranging in the ascending order. Is nothing but the merge sort. Okay, whereas the binary search is nothing but in the binary search we are taking the we are based upon the conditions we are going to calculate in the binary search. In the binary search there are the three conditions. First condition is if start in the binary search we are going to calculate the key element. Okay, in the binary search also there will be a certain number of elements, the elements that are fixed in this array. The elements are fixed in this array. In this binary search also, first we have to find out the key element. Okay, we have to find out the key element. Suppose if we are finding some 63, 59, 34, 32 is there, we are going to find out this particular key element 59. To find out the key element, we have to follow the three main conditions. Okay, you have to follow the three main conditions. What is the first condition? Is nothing but if key is greater than mid, then start is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, if a key is less than mid, then end is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, if key is equal to mid, means until and unless if key is equal to mid, then we can stop the process. Okay, if key is greater than mid, then we go for the start is equal to mid plus 1. If key is greater than mid, then end is equal to mid minus. Suppose if we are taking some 0 to some 9 elements here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the start and this is the end. Okay, after finding it, if we are getting some start is equal to some 3, so from where we have to calculate is nothing but from 3 we have to calculate. That is nothing but 3, 4, 5. From 3 we have to calculate. That is starting position is equals to 3. So that's why we have to take from the starting position as a 3 and the ending position is nothing but the 5. Suppose from this we are getting the end value is equal to some 2. Then what we have to take, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay, the end position is 2, then we have to stop up to this process. If the start position is 3, then again we have to take here. Okay, based upon the starting condition and the ending condition, we have to calculate. Okay. This is about the binary search, that how we are going to find out the particular key element in the following array. The next one is the stars and matrix multiplication. The stars and matrix multiplication, there will be some 2 matrices will be there. According to these 2 matrices, we are going to find out the matrices, the elements that are arranged in the matrices format. Okay, thank you.